Hey everyone, in this video we're going to look at how we can calculate percentages and percentage differences in Tableau. So the first thing I want to demonstrate is how we can calculate percentage difference in Tableau. So over here we have the order date by year, and let's bring in profit. So how we can calculate percentage difference is very simple. We're going to make use of Tableau's window calculation. So we just need to right click over here, go to quick table calculation and select percentage difference. If you're interested to learn more about how you can compare time periods, you can check out the other video where I go through a more comprehensive guide on how we can compare time in Tableau. And the next thing I want to go through is how we can calculate percentages with two measure value. So in this case, let's say we are still looking at profit, and we want to understand how we can calculate the profit margin. So how we can do this is that we want to make use of a calculated field. Over here, this is a calculation I have created. So what it's doing is taking the sum of the profit divided by the sum of the sales, which is the revenue we have received, and this will give us our profit margin. It is very important to take note that you need to add a sum in front of these different measure values. And now we will drag this into the text and we get our profit margin percentage. So you'll notice the difference here is that over here where we look at the profit difference from one year to another is using its aggregation, which is the sum of the profit. Whereas in this profit margin we see AGG, which is an aggregation. So what it's saying is that, so in our calculated field, aggregation is already done. We have a sum and then we divide by another sum. So over here is only going to display the aggregation of this calculated field. It is not going to perform another aggregation. So what does this actually mean? Why do we need to take a sum first instead of just taking profit divided by sales? So let's try to break this down. We're going to do another example. Let's duplicate this and we're going to take profit divided by sales and we can see what happens here. So I'm going to drag this in here. Now you see that this number here, 247.1, this looks totally off. It does not look correct at all. So if we change this format to actually a percentage, you will see that the result is 24,000. That definitely doesn't look right. So what's going on here? Now you see that the aggregation here, instead of AGG, it is showing sum. So what Tableau is doing here is that for each row, it's taking the profit divided by the sales, and then this creates a new column where we get this result of profit divided by sales, and afterwards it will take the sum of this new entire column of profit divided by sales. But what we want here is not this result. What we want to see is the sum of all the profit divided by sum of all the sales. We want Tableau to first aggregate on the profit column, then aggregate on the sales column, and take these two aggregation and divide by each other. So that is why it is very important to add the sum in front of these measure values. And with this, we are able to get our correct profit margin percentage calculation.